This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable and manage the frame guide on this drone. So in the beginning, launch the drone settings. Next, select the camera category, scroll this page down and look for the frame guide. Now collapse it. Obviously, if the off option is selected, that means that all the frame guides are switched off. And now you can select which frame guide you would like to have according to, well, whatever frame you would like to achieve. That's what those frame guides look like. And, well, that's about it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.